everybody, my name is Alicia. I'm part of the internet sales team here at Subaru Puyallup, your stress-free dealership, and we're doing a quick tutorial on the 2020 Outbacks for the hands-free power rear gate, how to use it. And just to let you know, it is standard on the Onyx Edition and the Limited and Touring, and it's optional on the premium model. So let's get to it. All right, so the first things first, you want to make sure that you turn it on, and how you turn it on is you push it so that the little white line above is showing. So that's when you've activated your hands-free power rear gate. So all of you have to make sure that you have your key fob mirror in order to use the hands-free power rear gate, and you hover your hand over the emblem like so, and there you have it. You have your hands-free power rear